Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite controller aim assist not working, and basically there is a bug and you can easily fix that. So basically what you need to do here, you need to go to press escape, press this little cog icon here and go to settings, and then you need to go to this option that says game UI, and you need to be on this reticle and damage feedback and make sure reticle is on, then reticle ammo indicator is on, and then damage number not cumulative but is on list, and then this option should be hit only, and after you do that just press apply. So basically this is a aim assist bug on Fortnite currently running right now, and you just need to basically copy these options here for you if your aim assist is not working right now. So that's pretty much it. Comments, basically write a comment if I help you out, and if I did, also please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.